Everything you do online leaves a trace. It's called your digital footprint. Think of it like footprints in the sand, except these don't wash away. Every photo you're tagged in, every comment you leave, every video you like, it's all part of a permanent record. This isn't meant to scare you, but to make you aware. Future schools, even future jobs, might look at this footprint to get a sense of who you are. So how do you make sure it's a good one? It starts with something called Netiquette, short for Internet Etiquette. The most important rule is simple. Remember the human. Behind every username and profile picture is a real person with real feelings. If you wouldn't say something to their face in a crowded room, don't type it in a comment. This also applies to your tone. Typing in all caps feels like you're shouting. And sarcasm, which relies on body language, can easily be misunderstood in a text and cause real hurt. If a message makes you angry, use the vent rule. Wait 20 minutes before you reply. You'll likely feel different once you've cooled down. As you get older, you'll also need to communicate more formally, like with teachers or coaches. Simple things like a clear subject line, a polite greeting like "Dear Mr. Smith," and a professional sign-off make a huge difference. Beyond kindness and professionalism, being smart online is also about safety. This means knowing when not to share. Never give out personal details like your full name, your home address, or your school's name to people you only know online. Privacy is your shield. Ultimately, navigating the digital world isn't about a complex set of rules. It's about building a digital self that you can be proud of, one that is kind, respectful, and safe.